Hi, can you introduce yourself, please?
I'm Krista May, 29 years old. I'm married. I have two kids, 4 years old and 5 years old. I'm college level, Bachelor in Science and Nursing.
Okay. Can you tell me about your work experiences?
I work to take care of the kids, 3 kids at home. I do household chores, washing the car once a week, basic cooking like Western and Chinese food.
Okay. Why you don't want to renew the contract with your current employer?
My mom lost her job, then I want to have a new employer.
What is your preferred holiday?
I prefer Sunday holiday.
Are you willing to take care of pets?
Yes, I will.
What will you do if the kid has tantrums?
I will wait for the kid to calm down first, then afterwards you talk to the kids or you play with the kid.
Okay. What will you do if the kid is sick?
Check first the temperature, then you call your employer, tell to them.
Okay. What is your message to your new employer?
Hi ma'am, hello sir. I hope you hire me. Let's be nice to each other, and I promise to serve your family wholeheartedly. Thank you, ma'am.